Hi, my name is Amir Jahanlou and I'm a PhD student at Simon Fraser University. My research is supervised by Dr. Parmit Chilana and aims to democratize access to motion graphics video authoring. I recently worked on a system that enables amateurs to create their first motion graphics video. In this presentation, I'll summarize the problem, our design decisions, and some of the results from our observational study. Motion graphics videos use a combination of sound, imagery, and movement to convey messages. The advance of online publishing and digital cameras have made videography widely available to the masses. However, making an animated video is still quite challenging, and a video of just 1 minute can take up to 2 days to create. Despite such difficulty, there is a growing interest from populations such as instructors, journalists, or scientists who wish to use this medium to communicate their expertise. Many of these individuals work in domains where videography is very difficult or perhaps even impossible, making motion graphics an excellent candidate to share knowledge. There are several specialized software for motion graphics that can create high caliber videos. Unfortunately though, these tools are often feature-rich, complex applications that require skills in graphics and animation. Most amateurs, of course, have no training in either of these. As a workaround, users tend to slide creation tools to make videos. These applications, however, have to be heavily repurposed to create a motion graphics video. Moreover, because they are not designed for this purpose, they don't help the user understand the process of authoring an animated video. So, given these difficulties, my research strives to empower amateur motion designers to create their very first video. Many of these individuals, although experts in a different domain, have no training in animation or design. Because of that, we wanted to provide them with a solution that helps them understand the process while making a video. To that end, our design considerations include various aspects such as keeping the entire process in one single tool, providing example content, or finding techniques to simplify animation. In general, we wanted to provide a solution that is in the middle, not as demanding as a specialized motion design tools, yet capable of contextualizing the process and delivering high-quality videos. Our efforts resulted in Katika. Before I talk about our design, I should mention that Katika is an old Sanskrit term that means the storyteller. In any case, we designed Katika as an end-to-end system for authoring motion graphics videos. It's designed upon a premise of simplifying the decision-making for its users. For instance, we minimized the interface of Katika to 3 actionable views of script writing, canvas, and video editing. These 3 align perfectly with pre-production, production, and post-production. Also, by keeping everything in one integrated software, we reduce the cost of task switching or the risk of users feeling lost between many different tools. We also embedded multiple algorithmic and automated features in Katika. Among others, it has a built-in algorithm to divide a long script into separate shots, an extensive repository of highly editable artwork, and similar to technologies such as Google Drive, it simplifies collaboration by hosting everything on a cloud server. There are of course other features built into Katika. In this video, however, I'll only focus on our animation technique. Animation is perhaps the most challenging aspect of creating a motion graphics video. The ability to integrate time and space and understand concepts of keyframing or interpolation is only available to trained animators. Besides technical difficulties, users also have a more prominent challenge: envisioning animation. For instance, to animate this simple artwork, amateurs won't be able to anticipate an animation, while experienced motion designers immediately imagine many different directions. To solve this, we turn to the practices of these professional motion designers. We learned that they continually watch animation made by others in pursuit of broadening their horizon. Inspired by this behavior, we designed a new paradigm of animation that we call motion bundles. In this technique, we bundle the animations of the different layers of an object and separate it from its visual look. Such animation entities can then be applied to a different artwork. A straightforward example would be taking the animation of a bouncing football and applying it to a basketball. With such a technique, motion bundles can be shared, and a library of examples allows users to try many animations until they find the one that best represents their concept. There's so much more to be said about our design approaches that I can't possibly cover in this video. For that, I'd invite you to read our paper. Here, I want to turn into our observational study with 11 participants and introduce some of our results. During the study, we asked participants to recreate a motion graphics video. To measure their success, we assess factors such as the use of the artwork and motions, the number of the shots, the length of the video, collaboration success, and the overall time it took for them to finish the video. I'm proud to say that all participants finished this in less than an hour, and the average similarity score was 87%. Beyond that, participants felt confident in their understanding of the process and expressed their appreciation for the intuitiveness of the software or the value of exploration it offers. They also asked if they could use this system for their actual projects, such as P11, who said, "I would use this to make presentations for my conferences. It's great to show visual stuff in presentations." While many factors contribute to this enthusiasm, the simplified experience of the software was quite empowering. P8, for instance, expressed, "The advantage of the motion bundle template is that they're just there and ready to use. I could use the slider to extend the time to make them faster or slower. That really helps." I invite you to explore a comprehensive account of our results in the paper. As I bring this video to a close, I would like to offer a few directions for future research as well. In the future, we hope to embed the process of conceptualizing a story into our app and further the notion of end-to-end authoring. We also believe that tools like Katika can help educate novices through strategies such as reverse engineering. Finally, similar to UI and UX, where new software applications empower prototyping, we hope that video prototyping tools can help create quick and dirty videos, perhaps in real time. Our paper outlines the details of our attempt towards democratizing access to motion graphics video authoring for individuals with no formal training. We contribute the design of our end-to-end system, the novel approach of motion bundles, and the insights from our observational study. I invite you to read our paper, and thank you for watching this video.